The keto flu, and what is it? So it's similar to a regular flu. It's a collection of symptoms where when you first go on the keto diet, you start losing a lot of water fast and you lose a lot of your electrolytes and nutrients. So when you start forcing your body to burn fat instead of carbohydrates, it really affects the way that your body systems work. I started feeling keto flu symptoms a couple of days in, and they lasted around 5 to 7 days for me. Mostly headaches. Now, I'm not saying the symptoms completely went away, because if you ever let your electrolytes drop below a certain level, then you'll still feel those symptoms. So occasionally I would get more headaches, occasionally I would get muscle cramps. Symptoms such as anxiety and lethargy are usually associated with lower magnesium levels. Foods that help this are dark chocolate, almonds, avocados, spinach, and salmon. You'll see some of these foods repeated, so it's a good idea just to add these in to keep those keto flu symptoms at bay. Headaches on a keto diet are usually associated with low sodium. Pickle juice really helps. Gatorade Zero helped me a lot. Himalayan salt, bacon, salted nuts, bouillon. And then constipation and low blood pressure can be associated with lower potassium levels. So good food for this, kind of similar to the others. You're looking at salmon, leafy greens really help. Avocados are excellent for a keto diet altogether because of fats, and then coconut water helps. It also helps with magnesium levels. Fatigue and cramping can be associated with all three. So I know I went through it pretty fast, so I'm going to leave a QR code here that you can scan and download the poster that I made. Thanks for watching. I would love for you to subscribe and join me on my journey.